Kirby vacuum cleaners carry a legendary status as having the absolute greatest cleaning performance. This is frequently heard from aficionados and collectors, but no objective evidence of its comparative cleaning capabilities has ever been provided that hasn't been debunked, as shown in video links 1 to 3. Because Kirbys aren't sold in shops like virtually every other brand, they've also managed to avoid being subjected to the standard commercial ratings. There's one EU label that can be found which has them rated, but as discussed in the videos in the 4th and 5th links in the description, these labels are deeply flawed, and in fact have been revoked as of recording, so can't be trusted. So this video shows the results of some detailed testing to show once and for all how well a Kirby vacuum actually cleans. 2 tests were performed, a surface cleaning test and a deep cleaning test. The details of exactly how the tests were done is discussed in the video with the 6th link in the description, and they were conducted at the same time. The surface cleaning results showed that the Kirby collected 98% of the easier to get surface dust, which is a good result. The deep cleaning test results are shown here and show the dust pickup with each cleaning session. After 12 cleaning sessions, a total of 69% of the dust injected deep into the carpet was removed. While this isn't a bad result, it's worth comparing this to the data collected at the same time with the Dyson V10 cordless stick vac. You can see the Kirby performs better at both surface and deep cleaning than the V10's Mode 1, which removed about 90% of heavy surface dust, and about 57% of total dirt from deep in the pile after 12 cleans. Mode 2 on the V10 performs comparably to a Kirby at surface dust pickup, but far outperformed the Kirby at deep cleaning, removing about 83% of the dust. Impressively, Max Mode on the V10 removed 100% of both the surface and deeply embedded dust, hugely outperforming the Kirby at deep cleaning. So what does this tell us about the Kirby and the claims made by enthusiasts? These results show relative cleaning performance on real-world, deep pile fitted carpeting with liquid-resisting backing technology, the most difficult type of flooring to clean. The Kirby was fully and professionally serviced, in good condition and full working order, with new belts and fresh dirt meter pads. This is in fact giving the Kirby an unfair advantage because this pristine condition is the equivalent to new out of the box without any dust loading and bag clogging, which is not how it would be for most of its usage time. Yet, these results are in stark contrast to the lofty claims made by Kirby enthusiasts. The Kirby's alleged performance is always attributed to its high airflow, but this is only ever measured at the open hose rather than through fitted carpet. Pile resists, and so airflow through it will always be lower than at the open hose. Only high-pressure motors that can generate strong suction can compensate for this and maintain high airflow deeper down in the pile. The Kirby's motor can't achieve strong suction and thus doesn't deep clean well on fitted carpet. YouTube tricksters try to suggest the opposite by only showing results on loose, shaggy rugs with porous backing, which lets air up through the base and bypasses the need for strong suction, as discussed in the first link in the description. Don't be fooled. The proof of all this is clearly shown in the data. When the head of the Kirby is sealed to the floor, heavily restricting airflow, the easy-to-get surface dirt is cleaned with the same effectiveness as the V10 in Mode 2. But deep cleaning performance is woefully behind because the Kirby just can't pull airflow at depth on fitted carpets with non-porous backing because it lacks high enough suction. The physics of all this is fully discussed in the 7th link in the description, and this testing perfectly demonstrates it. The other major reason why the V10 in Mode 2 or Max Mode outperforms the Kirby is because of the quality of its clean head design. Brute force battering the carpet with a noisy brush bar alone isn't how you achieve the highest cleaning performance. A smarter and more intelligent approach is required. The modern Dyson cordless stick vac cleaner head has a huge host of features that are carefully engineered to maximize the utilization of the tiny resources actually needed to deep clean. The Kirby's motor consumes 635 watts, whereas Mode 2 of the V10 likely consumes just over 100 watts, and max mode around 525 watts. That the Kirby can't even deep clean as well as Mode 2 shows how much of its consumed power by the motor is wasted. The Kirby also has more unimpeded open hose airflow and more air watts, proving once and for all that these metrics are not relevant or directly related to cleaning performance. Don't be fooled by videos suggesting they are going forward. It's also important to note the irrelevance of an aggressive brush roll, which is often wrongly claimed to be important to deep cleaning. The video in the third description link shows just how much more severe the Kirby's vibrational agitation is relative to the V10. In light of the data, this proves aggressive brush roll vibration has no real value to cleaning performance, as fully discussed in the 8th link in the description. If Kirby enthusiasts want to continue to suggest it's relevant for deep cleaning, then that means the Kirby's performance here would have been even worse without it, contradicting further the alleged importance of high airflow. It just doesn't add up. Don't be fooled. The Kirby's performance simply doesn't live up to its mythical rumoured status, and is shown by the objective data here to be completely outclassed by Dyson's industry-leading mains equivalent modern cordless stick vacs. The Kirby performance myths have now been fully debunked, so look out for and challenge any future amateur videos that try to keep peddling the nonsense with deceptive tricks. I hope you enjoyed learning the facts about Kirby vacuum performance, and thanks for watching.